Plea agreements are common in criminal cases. When a convicted burglar believes a prosecutor robbed him of a better deal, he challenges his guilty plea in Mabry v. Johnson. George Johnson and several others burglarized a home. The owners and their daughter returned during the burglary, and a gunfight ensued. The daughter suffered a fatal gunshot wound. Her father and Johnson were injured. After a trial, Johnson was convicted of murder, burglary, and assault, but his murder conviction was later reversed and remanded. Johnson began serving his sentences for burglary and assault, which ran concurrently or at the same time. The longer sentence was for 21 years. Then, the prosecutor presented Johnson's attorney with an offer for a plea deal. If Johnson pleaded guilty to accessory after a felony murder, he'd receive a 21-year sentence, running concurrently with the others. When Johnson's attorney contacted the prosecutor to relay Johnson's acceptance, the prosecutor withdrew the offer. Instead, the prosecutor offered a 21-year sentence to run consecutively after completion of Johnson's other sentences. Initially, Johnson rejected this deal, but later he accepted it. After his conviction, Johnson filed a writ of habeas corpus, seeking his release and naming James Mabry, the commissioner of the Arkansas Department of Correction, as the defendant. Johnson argued that the plea negotiations and resulting sentence violated his constitutional rights. The district court found no error. Johnson appealed. The Eighth Circuit reversed, reasoning that fairness prevented the withdrawal of the first offer. The Supreme Court granted cert. By this time, Johnson was out on parole.